Good day everyone! Welcome to another video tutorial in engineering drawing, and today we will talk about orthographic drawing. Let's go! Orthographic drawing is the type of projection wherein you have to show the three main views of the object. We have the front view, the top view, and the left side view. We are in the first angle projection. So let us start. To start with, you have to have your y and x axis, the horizontal and the vertical axis. And then here in our fourth quadrant, I have here the miter line or the projection line. I put a square here so that this will determine our spaces in each quadrant. So these corners of our square here goes like this. And also in the bottom part, and as well as our vertical spaces. So most of the time I use these light lines in our spaces. There you go. We now have spaces in our axis. Now we will start with our front view. In our front view, we have to determine the width and the height of our object here. Now say for example, your observer is exactly in this side, meaning from his point of view, this will be the direction of his eyesight or the line or the point of view. So meaning, if this is our observer, this will be the width and this will be the height. And of course, this will be the depth. Let's start with our width. To transfer this measurement or this line here in our orthographic drawing, let's label this point as point O and this point or corner as point X. Now if we will transfer it here, this will be our point O, and here, somewhere here, will be our point X. Now based from our drawing, we have 45 millimeters. Now with the help of our t-square and our triangle, all we have to do is to count or measure 45 millimeters from point O. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 45 millimeters. Let's mark our 45 millimeters here. So meaning from point O to point X, this will be the X. And then next will be our point O going up, which will determine our height. So from point O, let's label this corner as point Y. From point O going up, we have 45 millimeters as well. 0, 1234.5 centimeters will be equal to 45 millimeters. Here goes our point Y. Now, given this point X and point Y, all we have to do first is to make our invisible square. Draw a light line going up from point X and draw a horizontal line from point Y, which will determine our width and our height. So we now have our square right there. Now, in getting the front view, we have to understand the planes of projection. What I usually do is I will draw an invisible box right here, and also right here, and as well as here. So I now have my invisible box right there. What I will do is I will check the dimensions from our figure right here, like for example from this up to this. So from point Y, I have here 15 millimeters. Where is our Y? From there, we will measure 15 millimeters going there. Using the help of my T-square and my triangle, I will mark my 15 millimeters from point 1 until here. And then as you can see, from point X going up, I also have 15 millimeters. So again, with the help of our T-square and triangle, let's measure 15 millimeters. 0, 10, 15 millimeters. Now I have a point from here, and I have a point from here. All we have to do is to draw a light line going here, horizontal line, and a light line also from this point going down, a vertical line. Now as you can see, we have other dimensions like here, we have 15 millimeters and another 15 millimeters going up. That is from here going up is 15 millimeters. And then from here going up is another 15 millimeters. Let's check. And once again, we have our 15 millimeter mark here. All we have to do is to draw a horizontal line, light lines only. Now after having your front view, all you need to do now is to make our lines visible lines. And then let's erase the unnecessary lines that we have here. Now we have our front view. What's next is our top view and our left side view. Now it will be easy for you to get the top view and the left side view since we have already our front view. From our front view, all we need to do is to look for our vertical lines. And then with the help of our triangle, a 45-degree triangle, we will extend those lines from our front view going down to our top view. Again, vertical lines from our front view going down. And we have another one here, vertical lines going down. And next is the horizontal lines from our front view going to the side view. Let's start on the top. Horizontal lines going to the left side view. Another one here. And of course, we have another one here. There you go. Now we can start either in our top view or in our left side view. I prefer to start with our top view. So if this will be your Y, point Y, we will start with our point right here. And this point, this will be the same as with this corner. And let's mark our point Z. Now we have our point Z right here. And then from there, going down. So if we will have a measurement of 45 millimeters right there, it will be equal with this line. Meaning from point Z going down, we will measure 45 millimeters. 45 millimeters. There you go. And then again, we have our 45 millimeters right there. All we have to do is to draw a horizontal line with the help of our T-square. Next is the measurement we have right here. So this will be 15 millimeters going down. This will be point M. Say for example, let's name our point M right there. And this will be our point M. So from Z to M, that will be equivalent to this line from Z to M. And then from M going down, we will have 15 millimeters. From M going down will be 15 millimeters. Again, with the help of our T-square and our triangle, there you go, we have the 15 millimeters. Again, once more, we have our mark here. And let's draw a horizontal line going there. And just like what we have here, 15 millimeters from this point going down. So that will be 15 millimeters. I will mark my 15 millimeters here. There you go. And again, a horizontal line, light lines only. And there you go. We have now our top view. It's time for visible lines. And again, let's erase the unnecessary lines right there. There you go. And then we have now our top view. Now, what's left is our left side view. Now, a while ago, we extended or project our horizontal lines from our front view going to the left side view. And we will also do the same as from our top view, from our top view going to our miter line or projection line. So we have here, we have another one here, horizontal line going to our miter line, and also another one here. And there you go. Now from our miter line, we will project all the lines going up to our left side view. So let's start with this corner. We have it already. And next will be right here. There you go. Another one here. And also in this line. Now we have here our left side view. Now from this corner, this will be the same as with this corner right there. And this, let's name our corner here point H. Now from our point H right there, let's name our point H right there. Going to this side, it will be 45 millimeters. As you can see, we have 15 millimeters right there, another 15, and another 15 millimeters here. All in all, a total of 45 millimeters. We got this measurement from our top view. So all you have to do now is to make it visible line. And also from here, this will be our point M. So that point will be the same as with our point M right there. So from point M, we will measure 15 millimeters going to this corner. M, 15 millimeters going to that corner. As you can see, we already have our corner right there. So all you have to do is to make it visible line. And then from point M to point H is the same as with this line, point M to point H. So this will be M going there. We have it already. And then going down, same as with this, that will be 15 millimeters. From this corner to the next corner will be the same as from here going to that corner. Same as going down. And from here, going there and going down. As you can see, I'm just tracing our light lines because we already established the measurements before. So all we have to do is to make it visible lines. And then as you can see, we also have our part right there These are straight lines, straight visible lines that will be from here going up, and then from here to this corner up to this corner. Let's make them visible lines. And then the last part, let's clean up all the unnecessary lines, those light lines that we did before. And now you have your three main views. The orthographic drawing. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please click that like button, please share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. For more videos like this, please check out our videos right there, and please check out our YouTube channel, 3D Naomi channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.